Welcome to creating move assignments in Field Force Manager. As a manager, you have a login to Field Force Manager portal on the internet. Go ahead and log into the Field Force Manager portal and press the Locations button. You'll receive a list of locations. You'll seek the location that you want to move the equipment to. You can also use the search function and use a keyword about the location you're looking for. Always search for a location before creating a new one. So I'm going to put in Hartley and search. It's going to shortlist to only the locations that have Hartley in the name. If I don't find one through this process, I'll use Create Location. And I'll create a new location that's customer. I want to name it the company name space lease name. This will populate down. If I don't have an address, I can hit Ignore Validation. If I have a longitude and latitude, I can put it here under Work Zone. Press Override Coordinates, put decimal, latitude, and longitude. Alright, so I have the location created. And I'm going to hover over it and left click, giving me options for the location. I can edit the location, I can send it to workers for driving directions, I can delete the location, or I can create jobs. It's always best to create jobs from the location tab. My options are send a daily job ticket assignment to a device so that they can create job tickets and allocate materials to the job and create the daily job ticket or inspection. This has to be out to everyone who creates job tickets or inspections. Or I can move equipment, or I can request repair of equipment. So I'm going to press Move Equipment. This gives me a set of options that are specific to moving equipment. The job ID is Move. The equipment number, the location, and the initials of the person I'm going to assign. The equipment number, put it in as accurately as possible. This is how we'll change it on the equipment deployment report. The equipment description. It's a daily rate of $5.50. If I backspace over the $, it doesn't matter. I'm going to put in 550. We can use decimal or not. Equipment current location. And then once I have this information input, I'll hit the Next button. We are not using skill sets, so I'll skip over that by pressing Next. You can see we're using Chevron Hartley, and we have our longitude and latitude. I'll pick the date that I want the equipment delivered, the time, 7 a.m. The customer told me that it will be out there for 2 weeks, so I'll do it 14 days from 5/10, which is tomorrow. And then I'll assign a worker. You can pick from any of your workers. This will cause it to be sent to their device, this assignment. I'm going to pick my device and hit Save and Close. This completes the assignment of a move work order in Field Force Manager for management.